Can you imagine a future where drones and crypto economics coexist, complementing each other to bring about a revolution unlike any other? A world where the buzz of drones isn't just a symbol of advanced technology, but of a thriving, self-sustaining economy? This isn't just a concept, but a reality that's unfolding in a community that's taken a leap of faith and embraced the future today. It all began when a group of tech enthusiasts decided to integrate their love for drones with the transformative power of crypto economics. In a quiet corner of the world, drone owners and operators formed a collective, pooling together their resources and knowledge. This wasn't just a hobbyist group, they were pioneers, laying the groundwork for an economic system that could potentially change the world. Their drones weren't merely flying machines, they were a means to an end. They served as integral components of a crypto economic system, used for various tasks from delivering goods to surveying agricultural lands. But their most vital function was acting as mobile charging stations for a network of crypto-economic-powered energy microgrids. These drones, powered by renewable energy, would fly to different parts of the community, charging these microgrids. In return, the drone owners were compensated with cryptocurrency. This created a cyclical economy, where the energy produced was used to power the drones, and the services provided by the drones were compensated with cryptocurrency, which in turn could be used to procure more energy. This unique integration of drones and crypto economics gave birth to a self-sustaining ecosystem that benefited every individual in the community. It wasn't just about the tech innovators who conceptualized and implemented the system. It was about the farmers who could monitor their crops more effectively, the local businesses that could deliver their products faster, and the homeowners who could access affordable, renewable energy. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity and efficiency. It harnesses the capabilities of drones and the potential of crypto economics to create a self-sustaining, decentralized economy. The drones serve a dual purpose. They're tools for trade and the backbone of an energy network. The cryptocurrency, on the other hand, isn't just a digital asset. It's a means of exchange, a store of value, and an incentive to participate in this revolutionary system. In essence, what this community has achieved is a perfect symbiosis of technology and economy. They've proven that it's possible to create a self-sustaining economy that's not only technologically advanced, but also environmentally friendly and inclusive. In summary, the integration of drones and crypto economics has the potential to revolutionize how we perceive economic systems. By creating a cyclical economy that's powered by renewable energy and facilitated by drones, we can build a future that's not just technologically advanced, but also sustainable and inclusive. This isn't just about drones or cryptocurrency, it's about using technology to create a better world, one community at a time.